In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Calendly password. Navigating the world of online scheduling can be a breeze once you get the hang of it, and managing your account settings is a significant part of that process. So, let's dive right in and see how you can update your password, step by step. To get started, head over to the Calendly homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice your profile icon located at the top right corner of the page. This is your gateway to managing various settings associated with your account. Go ahead and click on this icon. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting several options. From this drop-down menu, select Profile. This will take you to a new page where you can view and modify your personal settings. Here, you want to look for the tab labeled Login Preferences. Click on this to proceed. Now, it's essential to note that if your Calendly account is connected to other email services, like Google or Outlook, you will first need to unlink those. This step is crucial because any connected accounts may interfere with updating your login credentials. Within the Login Preferences section, you'll find the option to unlink your connected email. Simply click on Unlink. After clicking Unlink, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision. Go ahead and click Continue to proceed with unlinking. Once that is done, you'll be prompted to create a new password for your Calendly account. Make sure to choose a strong and secure password, blending uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. And that's all it takes. By following these steps, you've successfully updated your password, ensuring your account remains secure. Remember, regularly changing your password is a good security practice and helps keep your personal data safe. If you encounter any issues, or if there's anything more you need help with regarding your Calendly account, don't hesitate to check out their extensive help center or reach out to their support team for assistance. Maintaining security and functionality in your scheduling tool not only streamlines your scheduling experiences, but also gives you peace of mind knowing your information is protected. We hope this guide was helpful, and that you're now completely comfortable with changing your Calendly password. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more tutorials to help you master your online scheduling experience.